Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing these Chanel sandals from Kit Life. Are you? So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get straight into it. So Kit Life is an online rep website, and they specialize in designer items such as Chanel, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and so on and so forth. They also have accessories, jewelry, shades, all kind of stuff, y'all, clothing. They have so many items on there. So I went ahead and got a pair of sandals because of course it's the summer and sandals are always needed, like always needed. So it does come with the box, love that. And it also has a dust bag for your sandals. Also included is the authentic card, also these. So I love that you get like the experience of everything, and I'm just unwrapping it. So I already saw these, y'all, and they're so cute. The quality is amazing. So this is what they look like. They had so many different options on their website and it was kind of making it hard to choose, but I just went with this colorway. So it's just the black with a touch of gold detail. So these are so cute. They fit me perfectly. I got these in a size 38, and you can see the CC on the bottom, y'all. The quality is amazing. Like, they don't bend, they're not flimsy, they don't feel cheap. Like, these are so nice, and I was worried if they would look good on my foot, but they look so cute on. And I just love these. Like, I see myself wearing these a lot for the summer. And specifically also I chose the black pair because I do have like 3 black Chanel purses, so I was like, these would match great with my purses and look so good, because I do love matching shoes with purses. I feel like it just looks so cute. So yeah guys, this is the shoe, and then I'm just going to show y'all the other one. Like, the detailing, everything just looks so good. So I cannot wait to wear these. Kit Life did an amazing job. So cute. Like, you can tell because of how thick the heel is, it's going to take some time to wear it down. So I really like that. So yeah guys, these are the shoes. So cute for the summertime. If you are looking for some cute sandals or any other accessories, purses, you name it, head over to Kit Life. I will have them in the description box, plus a discount code so y'all can save some money. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.